This ultra-moisturizing, pure and potent, all-natural serum uses organic ingredients combined with nutraceuticals to help promote strength and elasticity, particularly under the eyes where skin can begin to thin with age. Apply morning and evening after cleansing for a healthy glow and for lifting, firming and contouring the skin. Use on the face, under the eyes, on the neck and the décolletage. Potent antioxidants help counteract negative effects of the environment, and regenerative plant proteins help renew collagen and elastin production to improve the appearance of the skin. The firming serum brightens lackluster skin, imparting an instant glow and creating a smooth, velvety feel. The firming serum is free of petro-chemicals, dyes, artificial fragrances, and unnecessary fillers. Tracie Martyn does not test on animals. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.